Hello, this is a video about how to connect your Particle Photon to the Particle app. First, you've noticed I've already connected the Particle to my computer via USB cable. And you'll notice that it's flashing blue. So then now what you'll do is select New Device, it's Photon, and you see I have my email already registered to this app. So I'll hit ready. And then now I need to go connect my phone to the Particle's Wi-Fi. And then right here it shows Photon. Select that. Then I'll go back to the app. And now it's loading. And I'll have to select my Wi-Fi, so I'll select the Wi-Fi. Select join to connect to the internet. And while it's connecting, you'll notice that this LED has changed from a flashing blue light to now more of a greenish blue tint. And now you'll see that I've connected my Particle to the Particle app. Now as you can see, I've made D7 an output, and there are two lights shining now. I can change it from low to high, low